Hello friends, my name is Kartavya Saxena and you are seeing Kartavya Saxena video channel. In today's educational video, I will tell you what is the color coding. Okay, so is right on the page EIA TIA wiring standard. Okay, we will do color coding according to the wiring standard. Okay, so first is the EIA/TIA 568A. ठीक है, it is known as the wiring standards. Okay, second EIA TIA 568B. Okay, so this is use, we will use second option EIA TIA 568B. Okay, EIA TIA means right on the page stands for Electronic Industries Alliance and TIA means Telecommunication Industry Association. Okay, according to this standard, UTP STP cable can be two types. So first is straight throw or patch cable, used to connect dissimilar device such as PC to hub, PC to switch, PC to router. Okay, dissimilar means different device connected, such as PC to hub, PC to switch. Okay, next is crossover cable, used to connect similar devices. Similar means same devices, such as PC to PC, switch to switch, hub to hub, router to router. Okay, now we come the topic of color coding. Okay, color coding of patch cable according to EIA TIA. Okay, 568B standard. So straight throw cable की color coding, yes, side A, side B. Okay, white orange, second white green blue, third white blue green, fourth white brown. Side B, white orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown. Okay, same color coding on the both side. Okay, and next is color coding of crossover. Okay, so side A, side B. First is a white orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown. Okay, but side B is the different color coding. White green, white orange blue, white blue orange, white brown. Okay, so this is the color coding of the crossover cable. Okay guys, hope would have helped you from his video of mine. Get you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Take care, thank you, have a nice day. Okay guys, bye bye, tata.